In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So let's get straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is, of course, open up the TikTok app on your device. Once you have the app opened, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and click onto Profile. Next, what you want to do is come up to the three horizontal lines up in the top right hand corner. Press onto that and then click onto Settings and Privacy. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you get to the Support and About section and press onto Report a Problem. From here at the top you're going to see a search box, and in the search box what you want to do is click onto this and enter how to go live. Next, go ahead and press how to start a live on the results that come up. So that's the top result here. And then what you want to do, if you look at the very bottom, it says, is your problem resolved? Just go ahead and press the thumbs down no option. So it says now your feedback was submitted with a tick. What you next want to do is just scroll down and it's going to say need more help. So what you can do is actually press onto this. And then what you want to do in the next box is just go ahead and type something along the lines of the following. It doesn't have to be word for word, but basically you want to put, please, can you enable the live feature on my account, as I currently do not have access. Thanks. Once that's done, go ahead and press the red submit box underneath. And you'll see you're going to get a confirmation saying your feedback has been submitted. So all you need to do now is wait for a reply from TikTok, and they will help you and give you feedback on whether or not you can enable the live feature. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.